So we just got to Borneo tropical rainforest. So the ladies welcome us. So we're gonna serve to buffet. So have a look. It's buffet that has pan rice, chicken with spring onion. Believe this is lamb or beef. Wow, so nice. Sayang saya sudah makan laksa. Tidak apa, saya record. I shouldn't have eaten earlier on. It's a nice wooden house overlooking the rainforest fish bowl. Gaga pa ko na ito soup. We like it, and mommy like it. I have been here with my mom. I've been here a few times. We're gonna look at this nice forest and then have food. This is the best forest. I like to look at this. So many people here. So nice. I have like a bamboo house. You can hear the flooring, the wood flooring. Small lunch, soft beverages. You get other quail as well. Cake. Pudding. I bought a lot of food just now, not knowing that they have such good food here. So I love this environment. So I'm gonna find a seat. I'll get some fruit first. I'll get some. Try a little bit of their pudding. So you pay 165 ringgit. It's about $40 US for three people. So it's inclusive. Purple is my favorite color. You get another later on after the tour. We should come a lot earlier because there's so many activities to do here.